I hold it down like a Snapchat, go over your head like a snapback, uploaded a pic, double tap that, and your flow so old, granddad.
Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your head, yo. For your head, yo, oh, oh, mama, mo. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your waist, yo. For your waist, yo, oh, oh, why? I went calling, you. All I'm in is.
What's up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. So right now I'm just showing you guys the hair color that I used for this video. This time I am coloring this wig, honey, okay? This is a get ready with me, you guys. So screenshot this if you do like how the color turns out and if you're interested in the color. And I'm just showing you guys what tools I used to achieve this hair color. And also when you mix the hair color, I used the Foti developer and I mixed it with the red dye, and we don't want those chunky things in there. We want to mix it until it's smooth like butter, you guys. That is what I'm trying to achieve. Sorry, I just got a text. But so now I'm going into the hair, you guys. I am rocking this hair. It is from LakiHair, and I made this wig, but the problem is when I made this wig, it did not turn out how I expected it for the first time ever. This lace is not flat. I don't know how I did not achieve that. I never even have a problem with that part, but I had a problem with this time when I made this wig. And then I did do the glue-on method. Nowadays I do glue-on methods to make these wigs because it's just so much easier and quicker, and it just doesn't take so long to make a wig. But yeah, so I am rocking these bundles from LakiHair, and they sent me 3 bundles of 16-inch and a 14-inch frontal. Y'all, okay, I have to say something. This hair took this color so freaking good, and the fact that when I straighten this hair, it's not rough, it's not shedding, and also it's so smooth and silky, like I didn't even color it. It's amazing. Because you know, nowadays when you color a lot of hairs or bundles, some of them, they don't turn out right. Like the hair is really bad. Like it messes up the hair and it fries the hair. But this wig just, oh my god, this hair just gave me all types of life. But this is how the hair turned out. This is after I washed it and blow dried it before I straightened it, you guys. So it looks kind of rough, but honey, just stick until the end so you guys can see how it just turns out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my makeup, and I'm going in with my SMASHBOX oil primer. I love this primer because, y'all, when I don't have to moisturize my face, I go in with this primer, so then I don't have to like moisturize my face. So it's really nice if you have dry skin, and it gives you that dewiness that you are actually trying to achieve. So now I'm gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Morocco. That is a long name, you guys, but I love this foundation. I don't use it as much because I don't want it to be over. Like, I don't want to overuse it, you know, but I love it. Look at that. Like, oh my god. Like, this foundation is gold. It just gives me that dewiness that I need, and it just looks more natural to me, in my opinion, and it just gives me the full coverage that I'm actually going for. Beautiful foundation. Get your hands on that. It is expensive though, but it's bomb. So now I'm going to grab my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in the shade D33 Warm, and I'm just going to conceal with this. I haven't used this concealer in a minute, and I decided to use it through this makeup tutorial. It's a nice concealer. It is not too thick, but it also gives you the enough coverage to cover your dark circles and all that good stuff, you guys. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and blend. As you guys can tell, I concealed under my cheekbones. I never do that ever, for the longest I don't, but I decided to do this because I wanted to look super snatched, okay, for this tutorial. And I wanted to keep my eyes super simple because with the red hair, I would not want to wear too much eyeshadow. I wanted to keep the eyeshadow very simple, but have my face super snatched and super contoured. And you know, you guys know the drill. You guys know this. I go heavy on the concealer, but at the end of the day, it just turns out really nice. So now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Cool Earth. yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and use it. I'm gonna contour all the points that I usually contour. You guys know this step is not new. I use foundation sticks to contour, then I set it. Some people just bronze up their face with just powder. And yeah, I don't do that. I actually do more steps. Like this is, I told you guys, like I concentrate on my face more than my eyes. I rather go hell of what the hell, I'd rather concentrate more on my face than my eyes, because yeah, so that's why I cake up my face. But it turns out so nice, you know. Some people are like, oh, your simple makeup looks are too much. Well, honey, guess what? I don't care. Okay, first of all, I don't care. B, you probably don't know how to do makeup. That's probably why you say that. C, you probably wear super light makeup. Well, I look like I wear the whole entire world on my face. But y'all, makeup is just fun. It comes off at the end of the day, so I don't know why people be taking makeup so deep in their heart, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna set everywhere where I highlighted with my Revolution baking powder and in the shade Banana. You guys know I love Sasha, but I decided to use this. This is actually not bad. I do like it. It's not that bad. So now I'm gonna grab my SISTAR contour palette. Girl, I haven't used this in a minute, and I was like, yeah, let me grab it because I missed this contour palette. It is bomb. It is super affordable, you guys. It don't make no sense, okay? So I'm gonna leave everything down in the description box. So you guys, please make sure you check that out. So now I'm gonna go into the KK Beauty Kim X Mario eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna grab that. What is this eyeshadow called? I think it's Miami. I'm gonna grab that Miami eyeshadow. I'm just gonna work that as a transition shade all over my eyes and also my eyelid a little bit. And now I'm gonna grab that purple shade, and that is called Vegas. And I'm just gonna work this all over my eyelid. I was debating whether I want to use this eyeshadow or not, but I'm glad I used it because it was so simple, but it also gave me that like look. I don't know how to put it. Like it wasn't too simple, but it was simple because I wanted my hair to be like the pop of the freaking video, so I didn't want to go too much on the eyes, but I'm glad I did this eye makeup look. So I'm just gonna work that all over my eyelid and blend everything all out. So now I'm going to grab that eyeshadow that, okay, first of all, I dropped this palette. So I just totally forgot that I dropped this palette and all of the eyeshadows came off of the palette, and it's so cool that I was able to put the eyeshadows back. So I cannot tell you guys exactly what eyeshadows I'm actually using because I just remembered I put them all in different places. So it's annoying, but I will just show you. You guys see what eyeshadows I'm using. It's kind of like, yeah, you guys see it, so I don't really have to like explain to you guys, but I use that brown eyeshadow to just smoke my underwater lash line. So now I'm gonna grab my Too Faced highlighter in the You Light Me Up. I love this highlighter, you guys. I really do. It's so pretty, like super pretty, and it just sets in my skin so nice. After I set my face and you know I have it on my skin for like a couple hours, it looks so good. Like it looks like skin. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna highlight all the points that I usually highlight per usual. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop my Cocoa Lashes in a more, and now I'm going to underline my lips with my KYLIE Cosmetics Lip Pencil in True Brown K, and also go in with my liquid lipstick in Lime Crime in Salem. If you guys do not know this by now, I do love KYLIE Cosmetics products. First, her lip products are my fave. They're super good. So now I'm going to set my face with my MAC setting spray, you guys. So this is it for this makeup, okay? Cute. Simple, you know, very simple. So now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my hair because my hair looks like it needs a lot of help right now, okay? What's up? Okay. Alright, we done. Hey guys, so I decided to talk through this whole little process because, honey, I messed up on this wig so bad. First of all, I do like the color. The color turned out exactly how I wanted it, but it's the wig. Like, I don't know how I made this wig this time. It's like, it's not cute to me. Like, to me, I just feel like it's not made the way I want it. Like, first of all, there's like a loose, like, it's not flat. It's not laying flat. And usually, I never ever mess up on that part, like ever. My lace is always laying flat, but making this wig, it's not laying flat, but it's okay. This is probably gonna be the last time I'm wearing this wig because I did do the glue method. I did the glue method and I'm not trying to take this whole wig off and redo it. Nah, it's not that deep. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna just straighten this wig, boned straight. Is that how you say it? Yeah. I think that's how you say it. So I'm gonna straighten it so nice, like butter. And I already know this hair is like super soft because after, it just looks like rough, but I just know this hair is super soft. Like, it took the color so good, so that's a plus. So what we're gonna do is just straighten it out and see how it's gonna turn out. Wish me luck. Let's just do this.
I've been dreaming, 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 I've been dreaming. Dreaming. Dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming.